Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make ready-made kofta, updated. Start by bringing frozen kofta to room temperature for even cooking and pat dry to remove excess moisture. Heat a skillet with oil on medium-high and brown each piece for a crisp exterior. Finish in the oven to ensure cooked through and rest briefly before serving with sauce or flatbread for best texture and flavor. Warm your pan and trust simple seasonings to lift ready-made kofta without overpowering them. Sprinkle smoked paprika and a bit of cumin for warm earthiness, then add minced garlic and chopped parsley for freshness. Taste a small cooked piece and tweak salt or lemon juice to balance flavors. These small adjustments make store-bought kofta taste homemade while keeping prep fast and effortless for busy weeknights. Choose a cooking method that matches time and texture goals when preparing ready-made kofta. Pan frying gives a fast, crisp outside, while baking finishes them evenly if they are thick. Grilling adds smoky notes and pleasant charring that pairs well with yogurt sauce. Regardless of method, use moderate heat, avoid overcrowding the pan, and rest briefly so juices redistribute and texture stays juicy and satisfying every time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.